Hello friends, today we are going to learn about the reaction between sulfur dioxide and potassium dichromate. For this reaction, the burning of sulfurs will produce sulfur dioxide gas, which is not at all safe to inhale. So this reaction should be done under a fume hood or a chimney. So we have a fume hood right now, and for this reaction we would require sulfur powder, potassium dichromate solution, gas jar, a Bunsen burner or alcohol burner would work, and this is a deflagrating spoon, and I have prepared it with the help of metallic cap and this wire here. So for this reaction we will take sulfur powder, a pinch of it in the deflagrating spoon, and light up this burner. We will light this up. And now we will suspend this in this gas jar, and alongside we will pour this potassium dichromate solution in the gas jar. You can see the sulfur dioxide gas has started to produce. It is very harmful. We will cover up with the help of a lid, and also we will turn our fume hood. The sulfur dioxide which is getting produced is there in this jar right now. Can you see? Can you appreciate the color? Can you see it is changing? We will just gently hold it and give it a swirl. Earlier the color of sulfur dioxide and this potassium dichromate. Now the color of potassium dichromate is turning from orange to little green, and if we continue with this, it will turn to dark green. During this reaction, the sulfur dioxide is producing potassium sulfate and chromium sulfate. So chromium sulfate is of green color. If you can see this in this reaction, can you see the green complex which is getting formed? This is because of chromium sulfate. The same kind of reaction is used in the qualitative analysis of the sulfate salts. When you heat up the sulfate salts, they produce sulfur dioxide and trioxide gas, and that gas is passed through the potassium chromate or dichromate solution, and then you also see the change in the color because of the presence of chromium sulfate in the solution. It is still in the process of getting changed. Now we can see the reaction is completed.